This is the small green circle. See? The small green circle. And in addition to the small green circle, we're also going to talk about the large black circle. See, this circle is small, but this circle is large. This is the small green circle. This is the large black circle. Small, large. Green, black. Okay, let's start again with the small green circle. So here, the small green circle. Now we need a verb. This is a very important word. The word is. The small green circle is, where is it? It's under the small red triangle. So the small green circle is under the small red triangle. Okay, so let's move this over a little bit. And we have the small green circle is under the small red triangle. We also have this shape. Do you remember what it's called? What's that called? That's the large black circle, right? The large black circle. So let's make a sentence. The large black circle, and you know what comes next, is to the right of the small red triangle. So let's put it right there, to the right of the small red triangle. So let's see, the yellow rectangle is, now we could say that it is to the right of the small green circle. That would put it here. But instead of saying that, no, let's not say that. Let's say that the yellow rectangle is under the large black circle. Oh, I like that. That sounds good. So here, the yellow rectangle, that's this here, is under the large black circle. So I've got one without a capital letter here. There we go. There, now it's perfect. The yellow rectangle is under the large black circle. Let's do one more. What's that? What is it? That's right, it's a square, and it's red, so we're going to call it the red square. And we also have this. This is a small yellow circle. And what else do we have? We also have a small black circle. And we have this shape here. Do you remember what that is? That is the small green triangle. So let's start again with our red square. So here we go. The red square is to the left of the small green triangle. So the red square is to the left of the small green triangle. See, that's to the left. The red square is to the left of the small green triangle. Okay, so we have the small black circle is to the right of, doesn't quite fit. Let's move it over like this. All right, so here we have the small black circle is to the right of the small green triangle. See, here we have the small black circle, and here we have the small green triangle, and the small black circle is to the right of the small green triangle. Right? Now we have the small yellow circle is over the red square. See this relationship? This is over. Okay? The yellow circle is over the red square. Okay? Well, that was fun. Now, I'm going to give you some shapes, some figures, and I want you to write in your notebook. There you go. Go ahead and in your notebook, why don't you write 3 sentences to describe this figure? 3 sentences. So if you would please write 3 sentences about this figure in your notebook. This is figure number 2. So when you finish, you should now have 6 sentences written in your English notebook. If you would just write 2 sentences to describe this figure, go ahead and write 2 sentences. And when you're finished, you should have a total of 8 sentences now. If you would go ahead and write 3 sentences about this. Let me move that up a little bit. Go ahead and give me 3 sentences about this figure. And that's it for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in class.